The Tatas with a partner in Taiwan and Adani's partnering with a firm in Israel are getting into chip manufacturing or wafer fabrications for semiconductors. And Kaynes, meanwhile, is getting into what is known as packaging and testing of semiconductor chips, which is OSAT, which involves cutting, dicing, packaging, assembly, and testing these chips produced by the Tatas and Adanis. What this will do is it will help bring the complete semiconductor value chain to India. Kaynes is setting up a state-of-the-art OSAT or Semiconductor Assembly and Testing Plant in Sanand, Gujarat. The company plans to invest about 3,300 crores for this plant, out of which central government will fund about 50% of the expense for this plant as part of their Make in India initiative. And additionally, Gujarat government is also offering a subsidy of 20%, which implies about 70% of the cost of setting up this plant is government funded. Kaynes Technology share will be about 1,000 crores out of 3,300 crores, and the rest of the amount will come from the governments, that is the state and the central governments. About 50% of the 3,000 odd crores of capex for this OSAT business will be spent by FY27 and rest by FY30. So the complete setup will be ready by FY30. So this is a long game of about 3 to 5 years. Kaynes expects to generate about 1,500 crores revenue by FY27-28, and ultimately when the complete setup is ready by FY30 and the whole capex is completely consumed, their semiconductor business is expected to fetch about 4,000 to 4,500 crores. This is the yearly revenue of about 4 to 4,500 crores from the semiconductor business for Kaynes. Margins again are expected to be in the mid-teens, that is about 15%, similar to what they have for their current EMS business.